Have you seen my sister Evelyn? Dang, she's gone and wandered off again. I've been looking high and low. Where, oh, where'd my sister go? She's been known to spend some time with a sailor friend of mine. I called him up and what do you say?
I ain't seen that girl today.
So if you see my sister Evelyn, tell that girl to hurry home again. Where, oh, where'd my sister Evelyn go?
Is she with the
Doctor
or the plumber
or the dentist
or the handyman?
Did she go to
India
or Africa
or Wichita
or Pakistan?
Did she go and join the Navy
or go completely crazy?
or is she playing a trick on me? Did she run off with the barber, the professor, or the banker, or the clergyman? Is it possible that she could be in Timbuktu or Kathmandu or Vegas or Uzbekistan?
Is she learning how to do
The Chattanooga Choo-Choo?
Oh golly, where could that girl be? Have you seen my sister Evelyn? Fuck, she's gone and wandered off again. I've been looking high and low. Where, oh, where'd my sister go? She's been known to run cocaine. Well, now we know from down the lane. I looked her up and what'd she say? I ain't seen that girl in days.
So if you see my sister Evelyn, tell that girl to hurry home again. Where, oh, where'd my sister Evelyn go? Is my floozy sister with the doctor or the plumber or the dentist or the handyman? Did that hoe bag quit her job and run off with that dickhead Mike to India or Guantanamo or Panama or Disneyland?
She's studying Kabbalah
Or smoking marijuana?
or is she dead in a ditch somewhere?
So if you see my sister Evelyn,